The biggest thing I was worried about was vanity and being noticed, but also about the ability to bite and chew through harder foods. And the digital dentistry solved basically all my issues. The snugger fit was amazing and it really helped. Hi, my name is Ray Gardner. I've been wearing dentures for nearly a year and a half. The most prominent experiences I had were a history of diabetes, which caused weakened and broken teeth.
Hi, I'm Suzanne, and my husband got digital dentures at Modern Denture Clinic. So we were looking for a denturist because my husband had really lost some of his teeth and others were really weak, and we knew it was time that he was going to have dentures. Ivan was willing to work with Ray without doing implants because that wasn't medically possible for him. The first product was conventional dentures, but Ray still was not able to eat things and had some issues around those. Ivan took like a risk of being like, I'm gonna do something different for people so they can have a better life with dentures. I admire the fact that he was like, I see this other stuff happening in other countries or wherever, and why are we not doing that here? We should be doing that here.
My name is Ivan Konkin. I'm a licensed denturist in the Portland metro area, and we are Modern Denture Clinic. When I became a denturist, the first thing that I noticed was how often patients weren't wearing their dentures. Either ill-fitting, not comfortable. Patients were saying how they would go to the hospital and somebody on the nursing or hospital staff would accidentally throw away their dentures, causing the patient to not have any more teeth. The greatest advancements that we see with digital technology is the ability to store patients' information. If a patient loses their denture, if they break their denture, if somebody steals their denture, we have recorded files forever to pull from and given us the ability to consistently redesign the denture without any interruption. When designing your dentures, we can fully customize unique characteristics of your previous smile.
We were excited when we found the clinic here, and Ivan made it so much easier to work and get the new digital dentures. He was actually changing the rotation slightly or the angle slightly to match more what was in my mouth, in my skeletal structure, in the history of the photographs we were able to show them. The digitals are much more comfortable. I'm able to get them in, hold them in, chew and eat more, talk better, talk clearer, lighter weight, they are thinner. For me, cosmetically and stuff, they're a better color, they're truly easier to use. There've been no chips or stress issues or anything at all.
The difference with the digital dentures is they're so personalized. Ivan really cared about what the experience was going to be for Ray. He cared about the quality of life. Even though it was really complex, creating this amazing individualized product that made all the difference in the world for Ray, for him to have his self-confidence back, his self-esteem back, his smile back, so he could laugh again, and just the quality of life that he received because they cared is life-changing.
The biggest thing for me has been self-confidence. Able to talk to people again like I used to. They really changed the way I operate. Frequently with the older conventional dentistry, they would either be loosened or completely dislodged, and I was cleaning and reinstalling multiple times a day. I always felt like I had to talk around them, where now with the digital dentures, I forget they're there sometimes and my speech hasn't changed.
When we design dentures conventionally, we use this process using wax and transferring them to hard acrylic. When designing a denture digitally, we can use a scanner that consistently gets us the prints and the accuracy of the denture, causing it to have stability, fit, durability, function, and a fully customized smile. We then use a resin that converts into a hard material, giving us about 6 times stronger of a denture.
With the digital dentures, They fit him so snug and they're so thin. Looking at his face, you can't tell that he has dentures. The look is so natural. And so it's like he got his smile back. And at the same time, he got like his confidence back to talk to people, to smile, to be willing to interact with people, especially when he has challenges with memory and speech and things like that from the stroke. He doesn't even have to think about what he looks like or how he talks because it's natural.
My self-confidence has improved 100%. You have to give it a try. The ability to open more doors, make you able to talk, make you be more comfortable, were amazing. After looking at a lot of places, we really were happy with Modern Dentures. Every person we worked here seemed almost more like family than a dentist, and we were able to get better treatment. They were more concerned about how they were working with us. Made a pretty tough procedure actually enjoyable.
My name is Ivan Konkin, and I am a licensed Oregon denturist in the Portland metro area, and we are Modern Denture Clinic.